Hello and Namaste. Welcome back to Fabulous Body. I'm Akash, and today we are going to talk about an interesting concept that I came across some time back. And it goes on like this: you are not what you eat, you are what you absorb. Sounds interesting? Let's break it down. Now, don't get me wrong. What you eat is super important, but the food you eat has to go through a process in your body before it can actually benefit you. If your body can't absorb the nutrients, it does not matter how healthy you eat. All those greens, fruits, and proteins won't make much of a difference if your body isn't able to break them down and use them properly. So, what does that mean to you? Let's dig deeper, okay? So, imagine this. You've eaten a big healthy salad with all the fixings like, kale, avocado, seeds, and the works. It's packed with nutrients, right? But here's the thing. Your body has to digest that food before it can absorb anything from it. Now, this starts in your mouth with your chewing, but most of the work happens in your stomach and largely in small intestine. If your digestion isn't working properly, whether it's because of stress or majorly due to poor gut health, you are not breaking down those nutrients enough for your body to absorb them. Now let's talk about your gut. The bacteria in your gut plays a huge role in how well you absorb nutrients. If your gut is out of balance, maybe because of too much of processed foods, antibiotics, or even stress, you could be missing out on certain key vitamins and minerals. A healthy gut has plenty of good bacteria that help break down the food and absorb nutrients. But if the bad bacteria take over, it can lead to something called gut dysbiosis, where your digestion and absorption aren't so efficient. So think of your gut as the gatekeeper for all the good stuff you eat. All right, so how can we make sure we are not just eating healthy foods, but also absorbing all the goodness in it? So here are some practical tips to boost your absorption. First is chew your food well. It sounds basic, but chewing your food properly is just so important. The more you break it down in your mouth, the easier it is for your body to absorb those nutrients. Second is eat fermented food. Now, fermented food like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso are packed with probiotics. Now, good bacteria that helps keep your gut healthy and improve nutrient absorption. Third is avoid drinking too much water with your meals. Did you know that drinking too much water during your meals can dilute your stomach acid? Now, stomach acid is key for breaking down food, so try sipping small amounts instead of gulping down a big glass. Next, include healthy fats. Some nutrients like vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble, meaning they need fat to be absorbed. So don't be afraid to add a little olive oil to your salads or avocado to your smoothie. You need healthy fats, okay? Last one is manage stress. So this is a big one, okay? Stress can really mess things up. Your body goes into fight or flight mode and your digestion slows down. So taking time to relax and breathe and even meditate can actually improve your nutrient absorption. Okay, so a good example is while you're eating meals, try not to watch any violent media or any negative news. Instead, you can listen to good music or maybe watch a light comedy if you feel the need of watching TV while you eat. Right, so how do you know if you are not absorbing nutrients properly? Are there any tell signs? So here are some of the signs to look out for. First is constant fatigue. Second, hair loss or brittle nails, bloating or stomach discomfort after meals, and frequent colds or poor immunity. If you are experiencing any of these, it might be time to check in on your gut health and see if your body is getting what it needs from your food. Now, folks, I've created a free gut health quiz. Over time, 18 signs and symptoms may manifest due to poor gut health. Higher your score, weaker your gut. Take the free quiz. The link is in the description below. Right, so there you have it. You're not just what you eat, you are what you absorb. Focus on your digestion and gut health, and you'll be on your way to making the most of all those healthy foods you're already eating. Remember, it's not just about eating clean, it's about making sure your body can use everything you are giving it. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for more tips on how to live your healthiest and happy life. And don't forget to leave a comment below for any questions or queries that you may have. Stay healthy, stay fabulous.